Given its capacity and size, the 2019 Audi A7 should na Euro TMT go too hard on gas. Months from discharge, Audi has na Euro TMT announced efficiency numbers for the 2019 A7. Be that as it may, with what ought to be a thriftier motor, EPA evaluations ought to be marginally superior to the 24 miles per gallon joint of the 2018 model. We are only withholding our score for the time being until the point when official information winds up accessible. The 2019 Audi A7 highlights a 48-volt mellow crossbreed framework that can stop the motor at stoplights. It could help efficiency, yet just marginally. The turbocharged motor likewise might be marginally more proficient than the active supercharged motor. However, the 2019 Euro TMS 7-speed does not have the extra rigging of the active 8-speed transmission. The 2018 A7 was EPA appraised at 20 miles per gallon city, 30 throughway, 24 consolidated. Anticipate that the 2019 model will be there or somewhat better. Abroad, the 48-volt half-and-half framework can likewise a Euro echoes to Euro by closing off the motor somewhere in the range of 34 and 99 miles per hour under light loads to spare fuel. Audi decided the framework did na Euro TMT restart sufficiently quick for American tastes, so it won a Euro TMT go to our shores, in any event at first. Its expansion could knock parkway mileage by maybe 1 mile per gallon.